hello. We have another origami segment. Let's see who we have today. Oh, it's Charlotte. Thank you for coming, Charlotte. What are we making today?
Today we were making a origami owl.
Oh, perfect. Those look like somebody. Those might be in my family, actually. Hello, and hello. Okay, let's start.
Okay, so first what you will need is just any size square. Just make sure it's not like too teeny.
Yep.
So then it won't be able to fit it.
Yep.
And an orange crayon to color in the beak.
Oh.
A pencil just to maybe sketch it out if you don't want to mess up.
Yep.
And a Sharpie to outline it.
Oh, yes. Yep.
So first what you'll do is you'll fold this down so it looks like a rectangle.
Now that looks like the top of the head. Is that correct? Maybe. We'll see.
And then fold it another time. So then it's just a rectangle.
Okay.
And then fold. First you have to do this one. Fold this up.
Okay.
And fold this up.
Oh, can I see that? I can't see her. Oh, okay. Okay.
It's not really looking like an owl
No, it's
yet.
not at all. We will see what happens.
And then you unfold it all. Okay, if your owl turns out like this, see there's one diamond
Yes.
and a half of a diamond's like that one.
Yeah.
If it comes out like that, it just looks like having an owl peeking out.
Oh, cute. So no
And-
mistakes here. You can work with everything, right?
And then take the pencil if you want to sketch it out first. And then just like sketch out the diamond so you can like see it.
Oh, that is part of the eye? Or the face? Let me just see.
The eye.
The eye.
Kinda.
Okay.
And then do that.
Okay.
Like some owl's eyes finish, but some doesn't like that.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Anyways.
Yep.
After that, what I like to do is fold the corners so it looks like an actual circle.
Okay.
Kind of. And after you sketch out that, then you can just draw the beak, an upside down triangle.
Mine looks like a diamond, but I guess you could do. Let me look. Oh, yes, that's perfect.
Okay. And then after this, draw a circle.
Oh, nice.
But that's not just the plain owl's eyes.
Oh,
And then just draw a dot in the middle. And then
very cute.
you basically have your owl. If you want to color it in brown or something,
Yep.
then you can.
Looks like somebody I know. Somebody very handsome.
And, oh, I forgot to outline it. If you want to outline it, then you can. And then if the Sharpie like goes off a little,
Yep.
then after the Sharpie dries, you can just erase it.
Yep.
The pencil.
Nice to hear nature in the background. Some of my friends.
And then you can also
That's a cardinal. Oh, very
And then you
nice.
have an owl.
Very nice.
If you want to do like just like do this,
Like feathers
like
or...
feathers, and then like colored in brown, and you
Excellent.
can do that.
Another member of the family. Let's like take a look at these. Very good. Very good. Thank you, Charlotte. Thank you for helping us today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye.